Goodbye, puppies.
Goodbye now. Bye-bye, puppies.
Bye-bye. How's it going, everyone? Today, it's October 23rd or something. And we're out exploring, looking for a good place to fish. What up? Oh, God. Damn, I got stuck. I'm out here, your boy Rambo, and we hired a tour guide of this lake. He's a great guy, does great fishing trips. We'll leave his link down in the description. Today, we're gonna be looking for some bass. I'll keep you guys updated. We're headed up on spot number 1. We're headed to a bridge. Says that they've gotten some nice bass over there. Not sure. It's a pretty small lake, so hopefully this works out. Major key number 1, always know what's in your tackle box. For today, I'm just gonna use this.
Oh.
That's a 300-yard cast.
I mean, that's a fish.
Fish on?
Pretty simple. Alright, I got the first catch of the week right here.
Fish on!
It's gonna be, oh my God, it's a big fish.
Oh my gosh.
That is a big fish.
Oh my gosh.
It's heavy. I'm gonna grab it by the tail right here. I got it by the tail. Alright. Rod needs to get out of the way. Oh God, I'm hooked.
He's hooked.
I'm hooked. Okay,
He's hooked.
I'm fine. Oh my God, what is this? This is a miracle. That's gotta be at least 20 pounds right here. That's one of the best fish I've ever caught in my life. What do you think, a bass, smallmouth?
I don't know.
It looks like a smallmouth to me. Yeah, definitely a smallmouth. Well, can't keep, I'm gonna throw it back.
Live free.
Goodbye, friend.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So far.
Oh my God, get the net.
What?
Get the net.
Fish on! Fish on!
I got one.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's a large
That's
mouth.
Oh my God.
Mouth.
Oh, oh my God.
Oh,
Someone
yeah.
get the net.
Oh my
Oh.
God, yes.
Oh.
I can't even reel it in. What do I do? Oh my God.
Get the net. Get the net.
Get the
Get the
net.
net.
I got the
We don't
net.
have the net. We don't have the net. Oh my God. Hold up. Oh my God. That's a 10-pound largemouth.
Hold that up. Oh my God.
No way.
It's a nice fish right there.
Oh my God.
How can you see into?
Yeah.
Alright guys, status report. Not a good day. Didn't catch any real fish. Got a soccer ball and a trap, which I guess is good. Broke my line at the end. I lost my lure. Losing my will to live right around now. Tour guide is, I don't know what he's doing. We're headed back right now. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
See ya.